How to insert a PDF onto your Google Sites. Right now, I'm on the homepage landing for the Google Sites. I'm going to pick a random template. Let's just pick this one for portfolio. And the way you want to insert the Google Drive is by pressing, if you want to insert the PDF, first off, make sure your PDF is uploaded to your drive. Right now, I have this PDF uploaded into my drive. Also, make sure that when you press share and then share again, that the general access is anyone with the link, not restricted. If it's restricted, no one will be able to open your PDF. Now let's go back here and let's press this drive. Go back to the folder where you have your PDF uploaded. In my case, it will be this asset folder. And let's press this. And as you can see here, your PDF will be inserted right into your Google Drive. There's another fancy way. You can also insert your PDF onto Google Drive per se. You press this text box, and then I'm going to type in press me please, and then I'll highlight this. Before that, I'm going to go back to assets, and then I'm going to press share, and then I'm going to press copy link. Once there, remember, highlight this and then press this button, insert link, and then paste the link you just copied and press apply. Now when I click this, as you can see, it'll redirect me to my PDF right here. So now when you click that, it'll redirect you to the PDF, and you also have this option as well if you want to. It's as easy as that.